a triangle with one side that we're missing and trying to find. And we're not really given any guidance here if we should use sine or cosine or tangent. So what we have to do is identify which sides we have. And so 26 is our hypotenuse. It's across from the right angle. And then x, the side that's marked as x, has to be either the opposite or adjacent based on where this angle is. Well, if 39 is the only angle that we're really given, then this is the side right next to it. It's adjacent. So I have two things. I have the adjacent side and I have the hypotenuse. That tells me I'm going to be using the cosine ratio in order to solve for this. So I can set that up and say that the cosine of that 39-degree angle is, well, what is cosine again? It's adjacent over hypotenuse, right? We see that right here. And so the adjacent side is x, and the hypotenuse side is 26. Okay, so the cosine of 39 degrees is x over 26. Now we just solve for it making use of algebra. I want to get x by itself. So I need to multiply both sides by 26. So 26 times the cosine of 39 degrees equals, if I divide by 26 and now I'm multiplying by 26, I'm left with just x. So I get to this point, and now I would have to plug this into my calculator to figure out what exactly is the cosine of 39. And when I do that and multiply it by 26, I get approximately 20.21 as a value for x. And of course, like we normally do, the last thing I want to do is plug, put it back up here and say, does that really make sense? And that seems to fit in line with this being 26. If I would have gotten something like 100, we could have seen that that didn't really make any sense, but that seems to be in line with what this is.